Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking how do you make money from digital products if you've got a membership website as well. It's a great way of adding extra value to your courses and also an additional stream of income. I think I've got some great insights. I will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks, so you've got your membership website, or you're starting off with a one-off course or a combination of maybe some digital informational products with and then bolting on a single course leading on to a true membership website where you have multiple courses and multiple offerings. That is the kind of traditional road that a lot of people have gone down, and they've been highly successful, and it's quite manageable and it's a great idea. So I've written a great article about this that goes into this in a great bit of detail. But in this particular video, I want to focus on one particular area which I think is really important, which I didn't go into that much detail with the article, and that's the mechanics of selling these digital products. And what I mean by that is the shopping cart, the mechanism that you want to utilize. Now, I'm a big fan of WordPress. I think it gives you an enormous amount of flexibility and control. And it also, through its main digital product shopping cart functionality, which is WooCommerce, is being tried and tested. One of the limitations when you were looking at WordPress until a couple of years ago was that it didn't really offer a kind of one-page shopping cart environment that's really inducive and really modern looking, that allowed you to purchase digital products really easily. But a product came on called Cart Flows that really changed that. And that gives you the ability to design a one-page checkout that really is really easy to use. And it also gives you the ability to do upsells and downsells, and combining it with a membership with WooCommerce and the add-on WooCommerce subscriptions gives you an enormous amount of power and flexibility. Now, if you don't want to go into that route, obviously there's kind of Swiss Army knife solutions like Kajabi, Podio. There's about 4 or 5, but a lot of people that because of expense and their limitations, they want to build a website outside WordPress, or doing it on WordPress, but they want a kind of SaaS solution shopping cart. And two of the most popular around those have been Samcart and Thrivecart. Thrivecart has been extremely popular and was the darling of the kind of digital sales community, and influencers really pushed Thrivecart. It does the job, but the main reason why they were pushing it so hard, they had very aggressive lifetime deals, and they were offering enormous incentives to influencers through their affiliate packages for people to sell it. Now, don't get me wrong, it does do the job. And about 2 to 3 years ago, it's one of the best solutions. I now think you'll find it's a little bit cranky. It's not so modern, and it doesn't really compare to something like what Woo and Cartflows can offer you on Woo. Now, the other one is Sandcart, which didn't get so much market share because they weren't so aggressive in the affiliate and the lifetime deals they were offering, but it's still a reasonable offer. Now, one of the things that's affected is that you can also do this through Stripe, and Stripe offers you a gateway. The problem with Stripe is it doesn't really offer you the ability to do upsells and downsells, and that can also lead to additional landing pages. You don't get any of that. So I think having a purpose designed shopping cart environment, which you can manipulate, is still a really great idea. Like I say, there's a lot more out there. I think I've covered like three that you should really look at, unless you're going to go with a Swiss Army knife solution like Kajabi, where you probably don't need to look at an additional shopping cart SaaS solution. Um, yeah, I think that covers some of the basic thing that I wanted to really outline to you. Like I say, I've gone into some of the other issues in a lot of depth in the article. You'll find that in the description, the video description underneath. If you found this video hopefully useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm making more content every week, every month, that if you're on the entrepreneur journey to build a course or a membership website, you're going to find it really focused at your needs. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.